children, welcome you all for the today's English class. Today we are going to see a grammar part, that is articles. Children, to make you understand and more about articles, let's watch a video.
Articles a and the. Look at these pictures. This is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. We have used a and the to point out the nouns flower and orange. These words, that is a and the, used to point out nouns are called articles. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant, such as a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. We use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. Articles a and an are used to introduce a singular noun. Look at the following sentences to learn the use of articles a and the. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. We observe that articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. For example, a stall and an umbrella. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time, that is, about a particular thing. In this case, it is the stall. Article the is also used to introduce plural nouns. For example, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, the dolls.
Children, have you all observed the video carefully? Yes. Now, let's listen to the introduction and the detailed study by the teacher.
Hi children, how are you? Actually, so far we have completed 5 minutes from the textbook, from our textbook. And this session, today, we are going to start a new session, that is from our grammar part, articles. We are going to see about the articles briefly and how to use it and the usage, and with the examples we are going to see today. Okay, let's see the article. As I told you, articles are, 3 articles are there in English, a, and the. Okay, let's see what is known as article, what is called as article. Article helps us to know whether a noun is specific or general. Okay, so article helps us to know whether a noun, what is meant by noun? Noun means it's a name of a person, place, animal, bird or thing. That is known as noun. So here article is mainly deals with the noun, whether it is specific or general. We are calling as specific or general. Okay, let's see about the types of article here. First, this article was divided in English. It was divided into 2 types. First type is definite article and another one is indefinite article. So indefinite article, it comes under the. So indefinite article we are going to see the article the, and indefinite article is known as a and an. So indefinite article is known as a and definite article is the. So this is the 2 types of articles that we are going to see about we must know about vowels and consonants. Before getting to the article session, we must know about very well about the vowels and consonants. There are 26 alphabet letters, that is A to Z. 26 alphabets are there in English. In that, 5 vowels are there. What are the 5 vowels? That are A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels are there in English. Then the remaining vowel letters are called consonants. What are the remaining letters? 21 consonants are there in English. What are the 21 consonants here? See here, these are the consonants. Okay, Baba. These are the 21 consonant children. Let me read out one by one. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are all known as consonants. So, in 26 alphabets, 5 are the vowel letters. That are A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Then, remaining 21 letters are called consonants. So, here, that's all from the vowels and consonants. Are you clear about this, children? Now, we move to the usage of A. And the article A, that is indefinite article. So, okay, first rule, listen here, first rule, before a singular noun, so article A must be used before a singular noun which begin with the consonant sound. So, as I told you, these are the consonant letters are there in English, but here consonant sounds. We should listen to the consonant sounds. So, first rule is before a singular noun which begin with the consonant sound. So, this is the first rule for the usage of article, indefinite article A. Then see the next rule. When we talk about nouns for the first time, so if we talk about the noun, that is the name of a person, place or a thing, when we talk in a passage for first time, we must use the article A, indefinite article A. So these are the 2 rules. Coming to the third rule is different. I will tell you afterwards. First, we see the example here. See the first example, here cup, here fish, here hat. So listen carefully, children. So we have used the indefinite article here, and see the noun here, cup. It's a singular noun. It is not in a many. It is a one singular object thing we are talking about. So it is a singular noun. First thing we have to look into whether it is singular or plural. So it is a singular noun and begin with the consonant sound. K, cup. So consonant letter. It starts with the consonant sound. Cup. A fish. Fish is a singular noun and it starts with the consonant F. First sound. Then article A begin with the singular noun and the consonant sound. So apart from this A, E, I, O, U, if the noun starts with the consonant letter or consonant sound, we must use the article A. That is the indefinite article. Then move on to the third rule. For a noun which begins with a vowel but has the initial sound of consonant. So this is something different from the 2 rules before that we saw. So here, see the example here. A uniform, a university. So these are the 2 examples that we are going to see for the third rule. So see, even the letter, the noun starts with the vowel letter U, but we have to use the article, indefinite article A. Why? Even though these words are beginning with the vowel letter U, but we sound the consonant sound yo. So it is not a vowel sound, it's a consonant sound. Uniform. So your sound is coming. So it is a consonant sound, and so that we are using the article here. So 3 rules are there for usage of article, indefinite article here. First one is we have to look at whether it is a singular noun, with the consonant sound. And the second rule is when we talk about the noun for the first time. So if it is a single sentence, we can write it as A. But if it is a passage, again the noun is repeated in the same passage, there it will be different. So there we have to change over to the definite article D. Okay, so this is the third rule. Before, even though the letters but it sounds in a consonant sound. Yo, university. So that we have used the article year here. Children, that's all from the indefinite article A, and we have seen about the usage and the rules of indefinite article A. Now we are going to start the usage of article and, that is indefinite article, and there in indefinite article here we have completely concentrated on the consonant sounds and the consonant letters. So here in article and indefinite article concentrate on the vowel sounds and the vowel letters. So let's start the first rule of this usage of article and. Before and, the same thing, similarly like article A, here in and also, we have to see to the singular noun. First we have to check whether it is a singular noun. Then which begins with a vowel sound. So first rule, be clear children, before a singular noun. So article and must be used before a singular noun which begins with a vowel sound. So clear about it, this is the first rule. Next move to the second rule. When we talk about the noun for the first time, so same, second rule also the same. Third rule, see the third rule, before a noun which begins with the consonant sound but it has initial sound with the vowel. So before first we will see the first two rules first for an example. With the example, so example, see here, an army. So article and we have used, and we have to check whether it is a singular noun. Yes, army is a singular noun and it starts with the vowel letter A and the sound also A. So next one, an elephant. Elephant, E is the vowel letter. So we have the words, the noun starts with the letter E, vowel letter. Then an igloo, igloo, I is also vowel letter. See to the last one, it is umbrella. So pronounce the word correctly, it is umbrella, a sound. So even though if it is a vowel letter, but it sounds different. In a vowel letter A, umbrella. So we have used the article and. So an umbrella. This is the third one. See to the third rule here. Before a noun which begins with a consonant, but even though if it starts with a consonant letter, apart from this A-E-I-O-U, when it starts with a consonant letter, but it starts with the initial sound of vowel. For this, we are going to see this example. See here, this example, an R. So H is a consonant letter. So as I told you, there are 21 consonants are there. H is a consonant letter, but when you pronounce the word, see the pronunciation and the beginning of the sound, you have to be clear. So an R. You have to pronounce it as R. So what sound is there? O sound is coming. R. So we have to use article and. So even though if the letter or noun that starts with a consonant letter, but it sounds in a vowel sound, it gives vowel sound, then we have to use the article and. Definite article, indefinite article and. Then see the next example. MLA. An MLA. See here, the first letter is M. But it's a consonant letter, but we have to pronounce it as MLA. E sound. The sound, first beginning sound is E sound. MLA. So we have to use and before the noun MLA. That's all from this usage of article and children. Let's move on to the definite article B. We have completed indefinite article A and its usage. Rules we have seen with some examples. Okay. Now we are going to move on to the next article D. What type of article it is? Very good. It's a definite article. So now we are going to see the usage of definite article D. First see the first rule. When we talk about a particular noun, so definite article D must be used when we name of a particular person, place or thing, animal or bird. So here the next rule is when we talk about the noun that has already been spoken about. So as I told you in the article, indefinite article A, that must be used for the first time usage. So here, if the definite article must be used to the second time, when the noun is spoken second time in the same paragraph, then we have to use the article, definite article D. So second one is when we talk about a noun second time, that is already that he has been spoken again in case we have to use the article, definite article the. Move on to the third rule. With whole class of animals, rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, famous buildings and books. So these are the important things. These are the places we have to use definite article the. So in front of the whole class of animals, rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, famous books and buildings, etc. So these are the three rules that we have seen in the usage of article, definite article the. Let's see with the examples. Listen here. First, for the first one, as I told you, for a particular noun. So here, see the first example. Give me the pen. So here I am speaking about the particular pen I am asking here. So give me the pen. So particular specific noun I am asking. Noun pen I am asking. So I am using the article, definite article the. See here the next one. The apples in the basket are juicy. So here I am talking about the apple, particular apples that was inside the basket, inside the particular basket. So I am just mentioning and pinpointing the particular apples, and particular basket apple is very juicy or very juicy. Okay, so this is the example for first rule. When we talk about the noun again repeating in the second time. See here, example, I saw a child, the child was naughty. So here I am talking about the child. First time I am using the noun child. Here I am using the article a. First time when we have to use the definite article a. If we use for the same noun continuously for the second time, we have to change over to the definite article the. So I saw a child, or I saw a child, the child was naughty. So I am repeating the child noun again for the next time. So we have to use the definite article the. So this is the rule and the example for the second one. Let's move on to the third rule. As I told you, as a whole class of animals, rivers, sea, books, etc. Here, wherever we use the particular name, we are mentioning a particular name of a book or a river or a mountain or a ranges, whatever it is, we have to use article, definite article the. So here, example, the Ganga, for the river, the Ganga. The Himalaya, for the mountain range, the Himalaya. The Maldives, if it is island, even if it is, I am just specifying a particular island with the name Maldives. So I am using the definite article the Maldives. Then the sun, the moon, the Taj Mahal, for famous buildings like Taj Mahal. So some other examples like the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. These are the famous buildings, we can say. Here, famous holy books. For holy books also, we have to use the definite article the Bible, the Quran. So if we use for a paper, famous papers, particular paper, I am just telling about the particular holy book Bible. So the Bible, the particular holy book for Muslim, the Quran. Here I am telling about the newspapers, the Deccan Chronicle, the Times of India, the Hindu, like that. If we use a particular specific unique thing, if you want to pinpoint, then you must use the definite article the. And in the second time, if you are continuing the noun again in the same passage, in that case you have to use the definite article the. So that's all from the usages of articles, that is A and B, and we have learned in this session about the consonants and vowels, how many alphabets are there, how many vowels are there, how many consonants are there, and how to use it, and the usage with examples we have seen in this session. Let's continue the video with the remaining thing.
Children, we have seen articles, types of articles, and also its rules one by one. Now, we are going to see some more examples of each article now. Now, articles A and D, or the three articles, are in English. First, let us see what are articles. Articles are a word that used before and modifies the noun. And the second thing, the article that functions as adjectives. And articles that represents a specific and general things in a sentence. And The fourth one is articles. What are the articles are there in English? A, an and the. Then move on to the types of articles. Here we have two types of articles are there. One is definite article, another one is indefinite article. Article D, definite article, that shows the uniqueness or specific thing of a noun. Here in indefinite article, a and an shows the general thing. For an example, suppose there is a group of apples in front of you and you have given a choice to eat one of them. If you want to eat any one from it, then what will you say? You will say, I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. Now, suppose you want to eat a specific apple from a group of apple. Take the first one. What will you say? You will say, I want to eat the apple which is at the first position from the group of apple. Children, notice here that how we use the for pointing out the specific apple and an for generalizing apple. As we saw before, where we have to use article a or an. There are 26 alphabet letters are there in English. In that, 5 are the vowels A, E, I, O, U. And 21 consonants are there. Remaining all the other letters apart from the vowel, they are all consonants. So vowels, when we use vowel sound, we have to use article an. When we use consonant sounds, we have to use article a. Here, examples for article an with the vowel sound. Here, look at the words given there as an example. An ant, ant, ant. A is a vowel letter. So, we are using article an. Then enemy, an enemy. Enemy, E starts with a vowel letter and vowel sound. Then an ice cream. I is a vowel letter and vowel sound. So, an. And an orange. An orange. O is a vowel letter and starts with a vowel sound. An umbrella. Even though the word umbrella starts with a vowel letter, but it sounds in a vowel sound. That is umbrella. A sound. A sound is there. So we have to use article an. Look at the last example, an hour. Why we have used article an here? The word letter, first letter starts with a consonant letter H, but it sounds. How it sounds while you pronouncing R? So O sound is there, so we have to use article an. When it sounds with the vowel sound, we have to use article an in front of the noun. Next, move on to the next indefinite article a and with the examples. See here, a boy. Here singular noun, a woman, a horse, a book. Look at the next example that was highlighted there. A European. You pronounce it, it should be pronounced as European. European. So yo sound is there. And university. A university. A 1 rupee. It is not 1 rupee. A 1 rupee verse sound. 1 rupee note. It's all from the examples of indefinite article a and an. The article the is used when we talk about the same noun for the second time. That is about the particular thing. For an example, look at the sentence. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. In this sentence, all the indefinite article a and an and definite article the is used. So first, this is a stall. First, in the beginning, it was a singular noun and first it was used for the first time. So a we have used. That is indefinite article. Next, an umbrella. Umbrella and article an we have used. That is indefinite article. Next, come to the next one. A stall. Already we have used indefinite article a. Then again we have used the same noun in the sentence. So we have used definite article the. So it is the stall. The next important thing and the rule of using the definite article the. Here the definite article the must be used in front of the superlative degrees. If the adjective comes before a noun, because we are talking about one thing or a one group in the superlative degree. See here the example. In the example given below, only one dog is the most in terms of size out of all the other dogs. So see here, noun my dog is the verb, definite article the. Superlative adjective, that is biggest, and the last one all the other dogs. So the example is my dog is the biggest dog of all the other dogs. So here we are comparing only one dog. So children, the definite article must be used in front of the superlative adjective in the superlative degree. Children, that's all from the session articles. Children, please write the definition and example that I have taught in the board in this video. Write it neatly and clearly. Now for you, there is a worksheet for this exercise article A and the. First exercise, look at the exercise first one. Identify the articles and write. So it was a very easy exercise. See the first one. You have to just identify the articles from this exercise. First one, she is a radio jockey. So which is the article here? A. So a you have to write in the blank dash. So remaining exercise you have to write it on your own, children. Find out the answer. See the second exercise. Fill in the blanks with a suitable article. First one, there is dash time of work and dash time for play, said Dr. Dolittle. So what will be the answer here, children? There is a time of work and a time for play, said Dr. Dolittle. So remaining exercise you have to write and find out the answer on your own, children. Third exercise here. Rewrite the story inserting the articles a, an or the wherever is necessary. So this is a passage of a story. Here the articles are missing. So you have to find out the article where it should be added in the necessary places. So see here the story, the title of the story is Missing Shoe. Let me read the first line and I'll tell you the answer also, how to find out. See the first line. Last night I met beautiful fairy in my dream. Where we have to add the article? Is there any guess, children? Yes. Last night I met a fairy, beautiful fairy. I met a beautiful fairy in my dream. She was wearing diamond crown and white cloths from head to foot. She was wearing a diamond, article a diamond crown and white cloths from head to foot. Likewise, you have to read the remaining passages and add wherever the articles are necessary, add it and complete this exercise, children. Complete the all three exercise and finish it. Send your answers in the group. Write the definitions and examples with the rules that I have taught in the board in your classwork, children. Write neatly and send it to me. That also, the classwork, your classwork also along with the worksheet. Please do it neatly and sincerely, children. Thank you.